ॐ पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहं संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्।
Shall we start? पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्ददामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दाय तपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयत्रतजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी स्तोतिर्ना खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तक केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् ज्ञानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितम् लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारत पंकजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। अथ गीता महात्म्यम्। गीता शास्त्रमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयतः पुमान् विष्णोर्पदमवाप्नोति भयशोकविवर्जितः। गीताध्ययनशीलस्य प्राणायामपरस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्मकृतानि च। मलनिर्मोचनं पुंसां जलस्नानं दिने दिने सकृद्गीताम्बसि स्नानं संसारमलनाशनं। गीता सुगीता कर्तव्या किमन्यै शास्त्रविस्तरैः या स्वयं पद्मनाभस्य मुखपद्माद्विनिसृता। भारतामृतसर्वस्वं विष्णोर्वक्त्राद्विनिसृतं। गीता गङ्गोदकं पीत्वा पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पातो वत्स सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। एकं शास्त्रं देवकी पुत्र गीतम् एको देवो देवकी पुत्र एव। एको मन्त्रस्तस्य नामानि यानि कर्माप्येकं तस्य देवस्य सेवाम्। अथ ध्यानं। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्र रुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्कपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः। धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः भगिनी। कोऽपि उक्तवान् वा किमपि? अस्तु। तर्हि अद्य गतसप्ताहे अस्माभिः यत् पठितं तस्य किञ्चित् पुनरावर्तनं अहं करिष्यामि। अनन्तरम् इत्युक्ते शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य विषये, अनन्तरं शानच् प्रत्ययस्य विषये अपि पाठयिष्यामि। परन्तु तत्पूर्वं यदि कोऽपि पठितवान् स्यात् शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य पाठः केनापि पठितः स्यात् चेत् कोऽपि सन्देहः अस्ति चेत् पृच्छन्तु, नो चेत् अहं पुनरावर्तनं पुनः करिष्यामि। कोऽपि पठितवान् वा शत्रु प्रत्ययस्य पाठं? शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य अर्थः कः? कोऽपि वक्तुं शक्नोति वा? यदि अहं शत्रुप्रत्ययं प्रयुज्य किमपि रूपं लिखामि, गच्छन्, गमधातोः शत्रुप्रत्ययं प्रयुज्य गच्छत् इति रूपं प्रातिपदिकमस्ति। तस्य पुल्लिङ्गे प्रथम एकवचनस्य रूपं भवति गच्छन्, गच्छन्, गच्छन्तौ, गच्छन्तः। तर्हि तस्य अर्थः कः? वयं बहु पूर्वं हलन्तशब्दानां विभक्तिप्रत्ययेषु एतत् सर्वं पठितवन्तः वयं। परन्तु तस्य किञ्चित् पुनस्मरणाय पुनः वदामि। गच्छन् इत्युक्ते अर्थः कः? कोऽपि वक्तुं शक्नोति वा? वदतु सन्देश महोदय।
Continuous action.
Pardon?
Continuous action is continuing.
Agreed, but what is the meaning of gachan?
यदि एकः व्यक्ति द्वि अथवा अधिक कार्यं करोति तर्हि एकमेव तिङन्त पदम् उपयुज्य
तत्तु उपस्थापनार्थम् अहम् उक्तवान्। यदि बहवः क्रियाः एकेन एव क्रियन्ते तर्हि एकस्य एव तिङन्तं स्थापयित्वा अन्येषु सर्वेषु शत्रुन्तं रूपं
शत्रुप्रत्ययः
तत्र वयं लेखितुं शक्नुमः अथवा वक्तुं शक्नुमः। परन्तु तत्तु केवलं तस्य अवगमनार्थम्। इदानीम् अग्रे I mean, you leave all other actions. से गच्छन् मनुष्यः, किं तस्य अर्थः? कः तस्य अर्थः?
विशेषण
विशेषं
सत्यं, विशेषणं। यः तां क्रियां करोति तस्य कर्तुः विशेषणं भवति, सः मुख्य अंशः। इदानीम् अहम् एकवारं पुनः तत् सर्वं दर्शयामि। दृश्यते वा?
No.
No? Okay, that means I have to... Okay, now I think it will be visible.
दृश्यते महोदय?
शत्रुप्रत्ययः तस्य पुनरावर्तनमेव। द्वयोः क्रिययोः परस्परसम्बन्धः, उभयोः क्रिययोः कर्ता समानः अस्ति। प्रथमः एतत् सर्वं भवन्तः सर्वे जानन्ति, बालकः गृहं गत्वा भोजनं करोति अथवा बालकः गृहम् उपगम्य भोजनं करोति। अनन्तरं यदि अनेकाः क्रियाः युगपत् क्रियन्ते तर्हि एकस्यैव क्रियापदस्य तिङन्तं तत्र संस्थाप्य अन्याः क्रियाः तत्र शत्रुशानच् प्रत्ययम् उपयुज्य एतत् शक्यते। शत्रुशानच् प्रत्ययो कृत्प्रत्ययेषु अन्यतमौ शत्रुप्रत्ययः परस्मैपदी धातुभ्यः विधीयते, दिस् इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। अनन्तरं शानच् प्रत्ययः आत्मनेपदी धातुभ्यः विधीयते। परस्मैपदी धातु प्लस शत्रुप्रत्ययः इट इज द प्रातिपदिकं शत्रन्तं पदम्। अनंत शत्रु इत्यस्य अत् इति अवशिष्यते, तदेव विधेयम्। धातु क्रियायाः कर्तुः विशेषणं, that is what we just now saw. It is a visheshanam of the person who is doing that. Then forget about other kriyas. Now we will concentrate only on one kriya on which the visheshanam is used. Okay. अतः विशेषण विशेष्य भावः तत्र मुख्यः। अत् प्रत्ययान्त प्रातिपदिकम् एतत् वयं सर्वे पठितवन्तः पूर्वस्मिन् काले, यत्र हलन्त शब्दानां विभक्ति प्रत्ययः अस्माभिः पठितः। तदा अत् प्रत्ययान्त शब्दस्य कथं रूपाणि भवन्ति तत् अस्माभिः पठितमस्ति। किञ्चित् तत्र पठ प्लस अत् पठत् and so many other things. Now comes the major part. Okay, शत्रन्त शब्दानां उपयोगः। बालकः गच्छति, बालकः पश्यति। So गच्छन् बालकः पश्यति अथवा पश्यन् बालकः गच्छति। खादन् पश्यन् बालकः गच्छति, बालकः धावति पतति, धावन् बालकः पतति। Then now is the more important part of this. Okay, शत्रु प्रत्ययन्त शब्दानां पुल्लिंग रूप सिद्धि कथं भवति। So for pullingi is much easier than strilingi and napusakalinga, so kindly pay attention. तृतीय गणं विहाय अन्ये सर्वे गणाः, that is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And ganahas, now I don't have to repeat again, there are 10 ganas in the dhatus. Okay, and each gana has got parasmaipadi dhatus, atmanepadi dhatus. So only for the parasmaipadi dhatus of ganas other than तृतीय गणं विहाय अन्ये सर्वे गणाः तत्र ये परस्मैपदी धातवः सन्ति तेषां कृते लट् लकारस्य प्रथमपुरुषस्य बहुवचनस्य रूपं स्वीकरणीयं। ततः अन्ति इति ततः निष्कास्य अत् इति योजनीयं। तद् यत् किं भवति, उदाहरणं गच्छत्, अनन्तरम् एतद् वयं पठितवन्तः पूर्वं, गच्छत् प्रातिपदिकम् अस्ति पुल्लिङ्गे, तर्हि तस्य रूपाणि भवन्ति गच्छन्, गच्छन्तौ, गच्छन्तः, गच्छन्तं, गच्छन्तौ, गच्छतः इति। तृतीयगणस्य धातवः ये सन्ति तत्र किञ्चित् नियमे परिवर्तनं भवति। किमित्युक्ते तत्र अन्ति नास्ति, लट् लकारस्य प्रथमपुरुषस्य बहुवचने अन्ति इति रूपं नास्ति। अतः लट् लकारस्य प्रथमपुरुषस्य बहुवचनस्य रूपात् अत् इति निष्कासितव्यम्, अनन्तरम् अत् इति योजनीयम्। अत्र नकारः नास्ति। उदाहरणं ददति, सो किं भवति ददत्। अनन्त अत्र नकारः नास्ति इति कारणात् ददत्, ददतौ, ददतः, ददतं, ददतौ, ददतः। ओके, सो एतानि सर्वाणि। Here only very simple rules are there. Okay, all other ganas take the lat lakarasya 1.3 minus anti plus at, and third gana minus ati plus at, So, and dadat dadato dadata. And all other ganas, this one will be Kshamanam. Though here also dadat, here also gachat, but here gachan gachanto gachanta. In the third gana, that nakara doesn't come. Takara only dadat dadato dadata. Okay. So I given just simple Tritiya ganam vihaya prathama ekavachana. This is a simple form. Lat lakarasya vada minus t plus e, whatever it is, you'll get this. Okay. So I given the examples here. Now we'll go to Strilinga. No, Anyasa Vibhaktishu. This also we saw. Ashvaha gachati tam pasya. Okay. Here I'll give the little more this one. So वाक्यद्वयमस्ति अश्वः गच्छति तं पश्य. सो इदानीम् अस्माकं मुख्यं वाक्यम् अस्ति तं पश्य इति. एतद् मुख्यं वाक्यं. तं पश्यत्. सः कः? सः अश्वः अस्ति. कथम् अस्ति? सः अश्वः गच्छति. तर्हि तम् इति यत् पदमस्ति तस्य विशेषणं कर्तव्यं. अश्वः तो अश्वः एव भवति. गच्छति इति विशेषणं कृत्वा गच्छन्, and this entire bracket represents the tam. So here द्वितीया विभक्ति अस्ति tam, अतः अश्वस्यापि द्वितीया विभक्ति करणीयं, गच्छन् इत्यस्यापि द्वितीया विभक्ति रूपं करणीयं. So अश्वः becomes ashvam, gachan becomes gachantam, and then pashya remains pashya. So gachantam ashvam pashya. This is this one final form. Then अन्यासु विभक्तिषु शत्रन्त शब्दानां प्रयोगः अस्माभिः कृतः. बालकः धावति तेन कन्दुकं क्षिप्तम्. सो गतपाठे भवन्तः सर्वे उक्तवन्तः धावता बालकेन कन्दुकं क्षिप्तम्. अत्र शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य तृतीया, अनन्तरम् अत्र शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य चतुर्थी, अत्र पंचमी, षष्ठी, सप्तमी. एतत् सर्वं वयं पठितवन्तः गतसप्ताहे. Now we will go to slightly more complicated forms. स्त्रीलिङ्गि शब्दः. Okay. So किं भवति अत्र? There is slightly, I mean, in our this one lesson, there are not many Strilingi forms they are given, but for the sake of completeness, I am teaching this. If you find this is slightly involved, ignore that portion. Just understand that there is some Strilingi form also. So Gana Sankhya 1, 4 and 10. Here 6 is not there. Okay. So lat lakarasya prathama purushasya bahuvachan rupam, that is 1.3. Minus e plus e is prathama ekvachan. Udaharanartham gachanti minus e plus e is equal to gachanti. And since it is dirgha ikara at the end, it will be like nadi. So nadi nadyau nadyaha gachanti gachantyau gachantyaha. For all 1, 4 and 10. Okay. Now in 6th gana there is a vikalpa. What is that vikalpa is? You can add nakara or not. Choice is yours. Okay. So here I have given, I mean, these are the formula, and this is a final form. Likhanti is a lat lakarasya prathama purushasya bahuvachanam. So either you can say likhanti or likhati. Nakara may not be there. And again, the rupas will be like nadi. So either you can say likhanti, likhantyau, likhantyaha, or likhati, likhatyau, likhatyaha. Okay. Then एतेषां सर्वेषां विभक्तिरूपाणि नदीवत् भवन्ति. Now गणसंख्या द्वे इत्युक्ते there are some dhatus which are akaranta dhatus, and there are some dhatus which are not akara. A is dirgha akara, like ya. Okay, so for these dhatus, ya, pa, there are so many in Dvitiya Gana. I'll open the dhatu pata and then show you. So in this is same thing like sixth Gana. Either you put nakar or not this one. So the forms are like yanti becomes yanti or yati. Again, like nadi, yanti, yantyau, yantyaha, or yati, yatyau, yatyaha. This is for second the द्वितीय गणस्य आकारान्त धातूनां कृते. ये अन्य धातवः सन्ति प्लस एनी अदर ganas, okay, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. There you remove anti and put ti, that's all. Okay, either, because in third gana we don't get anti na, so I just put either anti or ti and put dirgha tikaranta. So santi will become sati, dadati will become dadati. Chinvanti will become chinvati, rundanti will become rundati. That ending ti doesn't have nakara. Before that chinvanti and rundanti, that nakara is there in the dhatu itself, that we can't do anything. Tanvati, kurvati, krinati, okay, and etesham api vibhakti rupani nadivat eva bhavanti. Now napusakalingi shabda, okay, here I have given pratipadikam is like pullingavat, gachat, patat, dadat, whatever it is. Then tritiya, from tritiya to saptami koshtakam 1, what we have seen in the halanta shabdanam vibhakti pratyaya, table number 1. Then prathama dvitiya koshtakam 6, okay, is this one. But there are some additional rules for this. Okay, so for prathama dvitiya vibhakti, there are additional rules. Okay, in gana sankhya 1, 4, 10, dvivachane api nakara bhavati. Okay, and I will open the 1 minute. Let me open the halanta shabdanam vibhakti pratyaya. So see here, in table number 6 we are given more. I'm concentrating on jagat because that is ending in takar, no? So jagat, jagati, jaganti, jagat, jagati, jaganti. This, in addition to that, for some ganas, okay, for 1, 4, 6, dvivachane api nakara bhavishyati. Okay, like, I mean, so instead of gachat, gachati, gachanti, here it will be gachat, gachanti, gachanti. I mean, nakara comes in the dvivachan also. That is more important. Okay, that is for 1, 4, 6. Then for gana sankhya 6, that nakara in the this one dvivachan is I mean, as it is, there is this one. So this is the more this one. Okay, let me see how to open this. Okay, Tudat and Tudanti here. Tudat ekvachanam and bahuvachanam Tudanti. That is normal, but in dvivachan also nakara is available. Okay, optional. In the first four, 1, 4, 10, compulsory in Dvivachanam also. In Gana 6, Dvivachane Vikalpaha asti. Either you say Tudati or Tudanti. I mean Tudanti Dirgha. Similarly, Gana Sankhya, I mean group number 2, Akaranta Dhatu, again same thing. That in Dvivachan you have either Yati or Yanti. And Ekvachan and Bahuvachan are same, Yat and Yanti. But in Dvivachan we have Yati or Yanti. Then in all other, this one, sorry, my goodness, I am not able to control this. Okay. Other dhatus of second Gana and uh, they don't have any this one like Sat, Sati, Santi, that's all. In third Gana, there is another googly. Nakara is optional in the Bahuvachan. So Dadat, Dadati, Dadati, this is same as this one. Dirgha E in Dvivachanam and Raswa Ikar in Bahuvachan, but Nakara is optional. So either say Dadat is Ekvachan, Dadati Dvivachan, Dadati, Dadanti Bahuvachan. So Nakara is optional in the Bahuvachan in third Gana. All other Gana, we have discussed 1, 4, 10, 6 and 2. So remaining all are, this is simple. Nothing, no option everywhere, anywhere. So Chinvat, this is just like the table number 6. Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. So Chinvat, Chinvati, Chinvanti. Kurvat, Kurvati, Kurvanti. This is about Naposakalinga Shabdas. Okay. So what I have given, I'll be posting this today on the group. I did not post it because I had not covered everything. This is the Sankshepaha. Okay. You can go through.
Sir, one doubt on
Yeah.
this Napungsak Linga, page number 161. Is it? It should be Gachanti, Divachan, Prathama Vibhakti.
161. Yeah, it should be Gachanti. Correct.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Naposakalinga se Rupani Gachat, Gachanti, Gachanti. Okay. I don't know. This I have to take up with this one. Okay. Then from Tritiya to Saptami, same Koshtakam 1. And these are this one. So we'll end here. Now, if you have read Shatru Pratyayasya Pathaha, please ask questions. Otherwise, Shanach Pratyaya, because Shatru Pratyaya is very slightly complicated. Shanach Pratyaya is very easy. It's very, very easy. Any this one?
Sir, in that page 61, that Gachat, Gachati, Gachanti, it should be Gachanti, is it? Ti, is it?
Yeah, no, middle. That Dvivachan should be Gachanti. Nakara should be there. Okay.
But it should be declined like Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti, no?
That is what I said. In addition to that, okay. Now let me share the screen again. Okay. See, up to here, sorry. Up to here, no problem. Okay, Postak number 6. Etad atircha, in addition to this, then there are some Ganashaha Kechana Niyamaha. So here I have given all that. Okay. I mean, this is slightly complicated. I mean, you'll take some time to digest all this. So I'll be posting this on the group today and this one. And I mean, unless you read once or twice, you may not be able to appreciate this. Okay. So here I have written Etad Atiricha. That is in addition to this, Ganashaha Kechana Vishesha Niyamaha. Okay. There I have given, see here. One verse, Gachat, Gachanti, Gachan. Dvivachane also Nakaraha. And that is compulsory, there is no option.
Okay.
Gana Sankhya 6, that in Dvivachan, that Nakara is optional. Okay. Here. Then in second Gana, that same thing like Gana 6, but only for Akaranda Dhatus. Yati, Pati, and all that. Okay. And there are other dhatus which are not ending in Akar, that there is no problem, like Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. Then in third Gana, that Nakar Vikalpa is in the Bahuvachan, not in the Dvivachan. Okay. And all other Ganas are like Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. Okay. So that Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti is our baseline. In addition to that, from here to here, some few extra rules are there that we have to remember.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Right?
Okay.
Unless you read this, and last time we have read the lesson also, there some of the Strilinga forms were there, just one or two, but not many. Like Darshayanti, then Upacharanti, then Apatantyaha. Okay. So the rest is all this one. So shall we go to Shanach Pratyaya? Shanach Pratyaya is very easy. You will understand in no time. Okay. Am I permitted to go ahead for Shanach Pratyaya? Astu, aham gacchami. Again here, Kim Shatru Shanach Pratyam Upajya Etat Shakyate, that whatever we had discussed earlier, that eight thing. Okay. Okay. Shatru Pratyaya Parasmayapadi Dhatubhyah Vidhiyate. Shanach Pratyaya Atmanepadi Dhatubhyah Vidhiyate. Parasmayapadi, this is okay. And forget about this. Now, Shanach Pratyaya. In Shanach, that the beginning shakar sh and ending cha, both are packings. They have to be discarded. So what remains is ana. Okay. So tadeva atmanipadi dhatubhya videyam. That has to be attached to atmanipadi. In this like in shatru, that at ta was half. Unlike that, here na is full. That is ana. Here a plus n plus a. So it is ending in a. Okay. So the advantage of this ending in a is in the pullingi shabda, it will behave like Rama Shabdavat. Okay. Pullinge akaranta Rama Shabdavat Rupani. Strilinge, since this is a, you add a. Okay, whatever the form is there. So you'll get Strilinge akaranta Rama Shabdavat Rupani. Oh, there is typo here. I'll change it. It should be Shabdavat. And Napusakalinge Vana Shabdavat. So whatever you get a here, you decline like Rama, it becomes Pullinga. You decline like Rama, it becomes Strilingi Shabda. And you decline like Vana, it becomes Napusakalingi Shabda. Very easy. Okay. Now that Rupa Siddhi, I mean, I am given only for Pullingi Shabdas, very simple. There are only two groups here. Okay. Here, गणसंख्या 1, 4, 6, 10 प्रथमः चतुर्थः षष्ठः दशमः गणः whatever is a pratipadikam for that is obtained by let 1.3 minus te plus man. Okay, like vardate is the vrudha vardate dhatu. So oh no, I should given 1.1, not Kshamyadam, 1.1. So vardate, remove te and just put man. So vardate, vardhaman. Vartate, remove te and add man. Vartaman. Okay. Edhate, edhaman, like that. And this, since this is ending in a, mana, at strilingi will be vardhamana, napusakalingi will be vardhamanam. Okay. Very simple. And in apart from 1, 4, 6, 10, all other ganas are there. There you have to take not 1.1 but 1.2. And from that you remove ate and put ana. That's all. Not mana, but ana. Okay. उदाहरणार्थं कृ धातु उभयपदी अस्ति. करोति, कुरुतः, कुर्वन्ति परस्मैपदे, तथा कुरुते, कुर्वाते, कुर्वते and आत्मनेपदी. So 1.2 is kurvate. You remove ate. What remains is kurva. And va half. Add ana. So kurvana. And since there is a rakar here followed by nakar, that usual like Ramena becomes kurvana. Okay. So kurvana in Strilinga it will be kurvana. Napusakalinga kurvanam. Very simple. And all these both are ending in, whether it is mana or ana, they are ending in akara. So like Rama, so kurvana, 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 kurvanam, kurvana, kurvanan. Then in Vardhaman, Vardhamanaha, Vardhamanu, Vardhamanaha, Vardhamanam, Vardhamanu, Vardhamanan, Vardhamanena, Vardhamanabhyam, Vardhamanaihi, all that, this one. In Strilinga, Vardhamana, Vardhamane, Vardhamanaha, Vardhamana, Vardhamanam, Vardhamane, Vardhamanaha, Vardhamanaya, Vardhamanabhyam, Vardhamanabhihi, like that. लता और रमा शब्दवत्. नपुंसकलिंगे वर्धमानम वर्धमाने वर्धमानानि वर्धमानम वर्धमाने वर्धमानानि and like that. Okay. Same thing about this. This is about Shanach Pratyaya. So Shanach Pratyaya is much easier. Only thing is it is restricted for the Atmanepadi dhatus. And also for the Ubhayapadi dhatus where you want to use the Atmanepadi forms. Like Kru. Kru is Ubhayapadi dhatu. We have taken the Atmanepadi form of that and changed it to this one. Okay. That's all. That finishes the chapters Shatru and Shanach Prayoga. Okay. So shall we read the lesson Shanach Pratyasya? Who will read?
Sir, one small doubt.
Ask.
This kurban and kurban. Because in the chapter 24, page number 158, the title is kurban. And there no is normal no, not the murdhana.
No. Let me see. 158.
Title of the chapter, kurban api na lipate. That no is no, normal no.
It is no only, but it is half nakara.
So it should not be murdhana.
No, it is not. Murdhana is only for Atmanepadi dhatus. See here. Okay.
Okay.
1 minute. I think I will open my own this one, and then I will. Okay, this kurvan is for Parasmayapadi dhatu. Okay.
Okay.
The same, a person who is doing anything. Okay, I will give you the example also. And in Atmanepadi dhatu, you use the rules what I have given is kurvanaha. Both mean the same thing. The visheshan of the person who is doing that.
Yeah.
Right. But this kurvan is for Parasmayapadi and it is half nakar. Whereas,
Okay.
and why it is not, as you said, why it is not nakar? Can you tell me the reason? Here I have changed it to na. That na of Vishnu. But here I have not changed. Why?
I don't know. That was the doubt.
Oh, your doubt was that, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, we will do that not Sandhya, I don't know in what chapter it will be covered. Nakara, when it is changed to Nakara, there are some rules. We'll cover that. Maybe I'll take it right now. But when the Nakara is at the end of the word, then it is not changed. Okay. I will give an example right now. Tell me Rama Shabda. Ramaha, Ramu, Ramaha. Can you tell?
Yeah, Rama, Ramo, Rama.
Ramaha, Ramo. Ramaha, Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Ramam, Ramo, Raman. Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramai.
Wait. Ramam, sorry. Ramam, Ramo, Raman.
Raman.
Okay. And Tritiya?
Ramena.
Now look at this. They are coming immediately one after another. Here there is no
Correct.
nakara, okay, because this nakar is at the end. There is nothing after that. Whereas here also nakar is there, but after that nakar there is akar, a. This means this is a nakar plus a. Okay.
Okay.
This joining together becomes na, ramena. But here that a is not there, just Raman. That na is left high and dry. So it
Yeah. Okay. Got it.
okay.
Yeah.
Understood?
Thank you, sir.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Same thing here. In Kurvan, there is no a at the end. So it remains Kurvan. But in Kurvana, as I said, ana pratyaya, that na is full, na plus a. So that changes to na. Am
Yeah.
I clear, Anand Mohdaya?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, right.
So yes, I have one doubt.
Huh.
For prapyamanaha, you have the dirgana, and prayuchyamanaha, you have hrasvana. So there also the difference is there.
Tell me, what is that?
Prapyamanaha, prapyate, you add manaha, then prapyamanaha. That there you have the nakara, dirgana, and prayuchyamanaha, you have hrasvana.
No, prapyamanaha and prayujyamana, I didn't get dirgana. There is no dirgana there.
That's what the prapyate you add manaha, and prayujyate you had manaha, shanach pratyaya.
Correct.
So can you tell me the difference there?
Yeah, okay. Now, I have to revise. I have to ask you, what is the meaning of karmani? Okay. Suppose aham phalam khadami, or why to take aham saha. Am I doing sharing? No.
No, sir.
Okay, I have to share the screen. Okay. Right. Now see saha phalam khadati. Okay. Can it change to the karmani?
Tena phalam khadati.
No?
Yeah.
What is the
Khadati.
karmani? What is
Khadyati.
khadyate?
Khadyati.
Khadyate. Okay. Very good. Now concentrate on phalam khadyate. Okay. So, what will be the visheshana of phalam? Now this is atmanepadi dhatu khara, khadyate.
Okay.
Okay. So now for this khadyate, the kriya is as per the karma. Okay.
Correct.
So if you want to make this as a visheshan of the phalam, use this rule.
Hello. So your voice is breaking. I'm not able to hear.
Oh, I'm not. I don't know why. I'll stop sharing again. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tena phalam khadyate. Okay. So this khadyate, since it is corresponding to phalam, Change it to Visheshanam of phalam using the Shanach Pratyaya. What is the rule?
Okay.
I will open the rule again.
Khadyamanaha.
Correct. Okay. So, phalam khadya manaha. Okay. Now it is Visheshan of phalam or saha.
It is a Visheshan of phalam.
Phalam. So it should be phalam khadyamanam.
Okay.
Phalam khadyamanam asti. I mean, just add some kriya padam. Tena phalam khadyamanam asti means the fruit is being eaten by him in English.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what is that prayujyamanam and all that?
So I want to know the spellings. Why do we use nakara and not nakara?
Okay, that is a totally different.
Prapyam.
Okay, just let me.
Prapyamanaha and prayujyamanaha.
Yeah. I'll stop sharing. Let me search that particular. See this one. Okay. It's somewhere, but I'm not able to remember. Okay. I think I will type it for your sake here again. There are two rules. Okay. One is if in a word there are three letters, either of them, rakar, okay, or um, rakar, vish, okay, or the swar ru itself. If these are there in the word, any word, okay, and after that,
Sir, I'm sorry, I'm not. Your
pardon?
voice is breaking, sir. I don't know whether I have a problem here or.
Maybe my internet is having problem today again, like last time.
Oh, I guess I think we can hear you clearly, sir. Maybe, madam, you could check
Maybe
in
it
your.
should be.
Okay. Now plus, now I'll say anything, any swar. Oh, sorry. This changing from English to Devanagari makes. Okay. So any swar, okay, or akar, ya, and va. Or another thing, nil. There is another. Then kavargaha. or Pavarga. You know what is Kavarga, Pavarga?
Yes, sir.
K, Kh, G, G, Ng is Kavarga, and Pavarga is P, P, B, B, M. Okay, and then I'll reduce the size so that it is visible in the same. See, in any word, if you have Rakar, Shakar, or Ru, the swar Ru, okay? And after that, now I'll give you this one. If this is followed by Na, forget about this bracket, okay? This bracket you right now don't bother. Suppose this bracket is not there. Assume, okay? So, R, Sh, and Ru are followed by Na. Then it becomes Na. Okay, that is very simple. And between R, Sh, Ru, and Na, any one of them is sufficient. There can be more than one, or one or all the three. But if they are followed by Na, and in between them, Nil means it is immediately followed by that. Or in between there is a Swara, or there is anything Ha, Ya, Va, or there is a K, 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 G, G, Ng, or there is Pa, Pha, Ba, Ba, Ma. Okay, between R, this Na, and this thing, R, Sh, this side. Then also it changes to Na, except at the end. Okay. Now this, suppose Ramena. Okay. So you change this R plus A plus M plus A plus N plus, sorry, here is A. Okay. Varna Vichhed. This you have done in earlier this one. Na? Ramena is R, A, M, A, N, A. So between this R and this N, what are the things? A, M, A. So Swar is there, Pavarga is a M. Is it not? Between this R and N, there are Swar and Pavarga. So it changes to N. So it becomes Ramena. Now same thing, here I said except at the end. So you Raman. R, A, M, A, and then N. Simple N. There is no A after that. Okay. So R, A, M, A, N. So this, this rule is satisfied. Only between R and N, either there should be nothing, or if something is there, it should be either Swara or Hayava, any one of them, or Kavarga or Pavarga. This rule is satisfied. But next rule is except at the end of the word. Okay. Then it doesn't change. So it becomes Raman.
One question, sir.
Yeah.
This rule is for any Pratipadikam or it is only for the Tritiya?
It is not Pratipadikam or this one, any word. It can be Subanta, Tiganta, Avyaya, anything.
Okay.
Okay.
So it is not only for Tritiya, but any Subanta Tiganta, it will apply.
It will apply.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Anywhere. Right. Now, like Ramena, I'll give an exception. Okay. I mean, not exception. How Ramena. Okay. Now, same you Rathena, what happens? Rathena. Okay. So here the words are, the letters are R, A, A, Okay. Now see between the R and N, varas are there, yes, but there is Th. This Th is not included in this rule. Okay. So it will not change. It will remain as it is. Rathena. Or we will another Ramasya, another avatara, Krishnena. Okay. Krishnena. Now what happens here? Kakar is there. Plus Dukar is there. Plus Shakar is there. Plus Nakar is there. Then Ekar is there. Then Nakar is there and is there. Okay. Now here see, there are two nimittas. Nimittas is the cause which causes this Nakar to change to Nakar. So not only one, there is a double engine. Shakar is also there and Rukar is also there. I mean Ru Swar. So it all the more gives a double power to change this Nakar to Na. But here in between there is a Na. This Na is not included in any one of this. Nil, Swaraha, Ha, Ya, Va, Ka Varga and Pa Varga. Between Na and these nimittas, there should be only these few combinations. Then only it is possible. So Krishnena, though one Na is there, that another Na will not change through Na because this intervening Na is not included in the allowed letters.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you take one example of Padam which is not in Tritiya?
Let me think over. Okay.
Ramayana.
No. Ramayana is something different. We'll take Ramayana. Okay. Compare this with Devanam.
Okay, sir, I got the point. Thank you.
Okay.
I understood. Okay, thank you.
So here it is not any, not only Tritiya Vibhakti, any word for that matter. Of course, there are exceptions, but at your level, don't worry about that. Okay. See, in the normal form, like Devanam, this Ramanam should have been there. Okay. But between this Na and this Ra, there are Swaras and Ma. Okay. So this Na changed to Na. Then again, Pitru, Matru, Bhratru, whatever it is. Okay. So, I mean, I don't have here the facility of that. Okay. No. No, I am not able to get it. In Pitrunam also, Pitrunam, Matrunam, that Dirgha Rukara is there. That is a nimitta. And after that, there is no this one. I mean, you think this is a Dirgha Rukara, okay? Now, instead of Nam, it will change to Nam. Pitrunam. Okay. That is only.
One question again, sir.
Yes.
For example, in Rutu Nam,
Huh.
it doesn't become no because Tavarg is present in between, is it?
Yeah, see, Rutunam.
Okay. Just to reconfirm understanding.
Yeah, okay. See,
So Rutunam Kusumakaraha.
Rutunam.
That Rutunam.
So here, between the Ru and Na, there is a Takar. Swara is there, Dirgha Ukar. But Takar is, and that Takar is not included in that. Oh, I'll remove that list. Okay.
That Tavarg is not there.
Ta is not there. Only Ka Varga, Pa Varga, Ha, Ya, Va, and Swaras.
Can you just put that rule also into the document what you will post today? It is very helpful.
I was trying to search that. I had already given to some other group. I will.
हरि ओम महोदय महोदय एक क्षणं
Okay.
एतद् हरि ओम महोदय नत्वम् इति विषये एते अग्रिमस्तरे गीताप्रवेशस्तरे एक पृथक् पाठः एव अस्ति
वा?
अग्रिमस्तरे ते पठन्ति एव सामान्यतया फट् कुब् आङ् नुम् इति नियमः जानति एव
जानामि अहम् अत्र
जानति एव तत्र तस्य विवरणं
सूत्रस्य तद् न वदामि.
आमां न वक्तव्यमपि परन्तु अग्रिमस्तरे ते बहु दीर्घतया ते पठन्ति एव.
Okay. So Prakash Mohan, anyway, I will post this one to group. But as Prabhakar Mohan says, Agrima Stare, Gita Pravesh, Gita Sopanasya Tritiya Stare, इत्युक्ते गीता प्रवेशस्य प्रथमस्तरे एतस्य सर्वस्य पठनं भवति एव भविष्यति.
Okay. Thank you.
अस्तु. अस्तु तर्हि एतावत् पर्यन्तम् अस्माभिः शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य विषये तथा शानच् प्रत्ययस्य विषये अपि पठितम्. इदानीं मम सन्तोषस्य विषयः इत्युक्ते सर्वे पाठाः समाप्ताः. इदानीं केवलं भवद्भिः एव पठनीयं. केऽपि सन्देहाः सन्ति चेत् प्रष्टव्यं. मया तेषां सन्देहानां निवारणं करणीयं तावदेव अवशिष्टम्. अद्य अहं तत् शत्रुशानच् प्रत्ययस्य विषये यत् मया लिखितमस्ति तत्सर्वम् अहं गणे प्रेषयिष्यामि. सर्वे दृष्ट्वा पठन्तु अनन्तरं पृच्छन्तु. आगामी सप्ताहे अस्माकं परीक्षा भविष्यति, लघुपरीक्षा, केवलं कर्तरि कर्मणि भावे प्रयोगस्य विषये. सर्वे जानन्ति खलु?
Yes, sir.
अनन्तरं सर्वे मिलित्वा निश्चयं करिष्यामः कदा अस्माकम् अन्तिमा परीक्षा भविष्यति इति. तर्हि समापयामः वा? I will stop the recording, then we can discuss many other things.
Sir, Laghu Pariksha on Karmani and Bhave.
Kartari Karmani.
Sir, 18 to 22 chapters, is it?
Let me see. Yeah, 18 to 22 chapters. आगामी सप्ताहे अनन्तरं भवन्तः सिद्धाः सन्ति चेत् वयं पठामः वा शानच् प्रत्ययान्तरूपं लास्ट् लेसन् पञ्चविंशतितमः पाठः.
We can read that lesson, sir.
Yes, no problem. Okay, come on. I think who will start? Anandmay Mahodaya?
Yes, sir. Page number 169, chapter 25, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sraddhadhanah matparamaha. Meaning I am not able to get.
I'll tell you what is the meaning of Shraddhadhana. Forget about Shrat. Dadhana. Okay. So as I said, for the Atmanepadi dhatus, add ana pratyay, you'll get the person who is doing that. Okay. So dha dhatu asti. So what, follow the rules, whatever I have given, it becomes dadhana. Okay. And you add shrat, not as a upasarga. It is not called upasarga, but it is used as a form of upasarga with only dha dhatu. This word shrat is used only for the dha dhatu. So it becomes Shrad Dadhana. And the familiar form is Shraddha. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the meaning of Shrad Dadhana? Those who are having the Shraddha. Okay. I mean,
okay.
So Mat Paramaha. That is those who are thinking of me. Mat Param. Okay.
Okay.
Now read the lesson. Okay.
Yeah. एकदा सपरिवारः श्रीकृष्णः द्वारकात् वृन्दावनं गतः.
Okay. So taha is like, it is used like Panchami. Okay. You add taha pratyaya to any pratipadikam, it becomes Panchami. So from Dwaraka, he had gone to Vrindavanam. Okay.
1 second, sir. It will become Panchami?
Yeah, it will become Panchami. Dwarakayaha. You don't have to remember the forms, whether it is Pullinga, Strilinga, and Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, all that. Just put taha, it becomes Panchami.
Okay.
Okay. Next, read.
तत्र कदाचित् एकस्मिन् निकुञ्जे श्रीकृष्णः सायाह्नः आसीत्.
Okay.
सायाह्नः आसीत्.
Wait. What is it? Nikunja. Nikunja is one of the some garden, part of the garden. Okay. In that, Shayana, now the dhatu is she. She, shete means, Atmanepadi dhatu, she, shete means to sleep.
Sleeping.
Okay. So Shayanaha means one who is doing that, sleep. So that means sleeping. So Sri Krishnaha Shayanaha Asit. He was sleeping.
Yeah.
Okay. Let some next person read.
One question, sir.
Yeah.
The same line, can it be read only Tatra Kadachit Ekasmin Nikunje Sri Krishna Shayanaha, and we can stop there. Drop Asit at the keypad at there.
It can be, no problem.
Okay, but then when we do that, the Shayana becomes Kriyapada sort of thing, or how is it?
It is
Shayana, that means isn't it?
No. I told you, it is like Gatavan. Rama was Gatavan. So Rama went to forest, but it can be any tense. Same thing here.
Okay, I'm looking for the perspective that we had a rule, no? That one Tiganta should be there in the Vakyam.
No.
Others can be made as
See, Tinganta, if at all you use Tinganta, it should be only one. The number of Tinganta should be only one.
Correct.
Okay. So Shayana is not Tingantam, it is a Shanach Pratyanta Rupam.
Correct. It is Shanach Pratyanta.
And at Asit is adhyahara. It can be taken as adhyahara. You can drop it.
Okay.
Then person who wants to read, he should take that asit as from his own pocket as a adhyahara and read that.
That means in like all other places, even in Shatrant and Chanaj Pratyayas, adhyaharas can be there. Kriyapad adhyaharas can be there.
Yes, plenty.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
As we read shlokas and all, you'll find that this one. Okay. Right. उमा भगिनी बहुत पठति वा?
Yes, sir. कृष्णस्य दर्शनाय यतमानाः सर्वे अपि गोपकाः कृष्णपत्न्यः परिजनाश्च तम् अलभमानाः तस्य अदर्शनेन व्यथमानाः आसन्.
Okay, very good. Now there are 3 Shanaj Pratyaya in the Rupam. We will understand each one of them. Okay. Yatamanaha. Yata yatate is the dhatu. Okay. So what is the meaning of yata yatate?
Trying.
Trying. Okay. So yatam and yatate, remove te, add man. Yataman means one who is trying. And in Bahuvachan, yatamanaha, yatamano, yatamanaha. So those who were trying. Who were trying? Sarvepi gopakaha means his that gop, what is it, cowards, or his friends. And what they were trying for? Darshanaya yatamanaha. Those who were trying to find him, basically. Then Krishna Patnyaha, his wives, Parijanahascha, and all the relatives. Tam alabhamanaha. Now, labha labhate means to get. Okay. So, labhamana means one who gets. So, labhamana means those who are getting. And alabhamana, those who are not getting. That means they are not finding him. No? So, Parijanahascha tam alabhamanaha. Tasya adarshanena, because of his not being visible. Vyathamanaha asan. Vyathamana, vyatha vyathate, to become worried. So vyathamanaha is they were worried. Okay. Understood these 3 words? Yatamanaha, alabhamanaha, and vyathamanaha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Now next is Gayatri Bhagini Bhavati Padati va?
Yes, sir. कुत्रापि विविधदेवताः प्रार्थयमानाः चिन्ताक्रान्ताः च अभवन्.
Prarthayamanaha. Okay. So prarthayati, or prarthayate means to pray. So prarthayamanaha, one who is doing prayer. Vividha devataha prarthayamanaha abhavan means they became praying, or they started praying. Who? All the gods. Chintakrantaha cha abhavan, and they were worried and they started praying. Okay. Jai Lakshmi Bhagini.
Yes, sir. Devarshihi Naradaha api Sri Krishnam didrukshamanaha tatra agataha.
Now didrukshamana, this is slightly more complicated. See, there are some pratyayas which you add to the dhatu. They give the meaning of one who wants to do that. Okay, there is a called san pratyaya. We'll not go into the details of that. This didrukshamana is one of them. Didrukshati or didrukshate. So it means one wants to see. Okay, like in your Gita, in first chapter or second chapter, I think, Arjuna says, Dhartarashtrasya durbuddher priya chikir shavaha. That chikir shavaha is from that one who wants to do. Okay, are here. Didrukshamana, one who wants to see. So Didrukshamanaha is he wanted to see. So Devarshi Naradaha api Shri Krishnam Didrukshamana tatra agataha. So Devarshi Narada, with the desire of seeing Krishna, came there. Okay. Then Krishna Kumar, Bhavan Patadeva.
श्रीकृष्णः कुत्रापि न दृश्यमानः अस्ति इति ज्ञात्वा स स्वयं तस्य अन्वेषणम् आरभमानः निकुञ्जेषु प्रविष्टः.
Okay. Now two words, Drishyamanaha, Arabhamanaha. Now see, Drishyamana is now this is Karmani. Drusha Pashyati is to see, and Drusha Drushyate is to be seen, right? By others in the Karmani form. So since Karmani dhatus are all Atmanepadi, so not Shatru but the Shanach Pratyaya is used. So Drishyate become Drishyamana is visible. Kutrapi na drishyamanaha asti. He is not visible anywhere. Iti jnatva, by knowing so, saha swayam tasya anveshanam arabhamanaha. R plus rabha plus shanach pratyaya. So arabhamana is starting, one who has started this. Anveshanam arabhamanaha, by starting is what is a investigation. Nikunjeshu pravishtaha, he came to the garden. Okay. Next, Mahalakshmi Bhagini.
Sundaraihi vrikshalata sarit giribihi shobhamaneshu api vrindavana nikunjeshu saha modamanaha nabhavat. Ante
Shobhamaneshu. Shubha Shobhate is the dhatu, is to look beautiful. So Shobhamaneshu, those who were, Shobhamana is one who looks beautiful. So Shobhamaneshu in Saptami Bhavachan, in the beautiful, this one, okay. Which beautiful? Vriksha Lata Sarit Giribhihi Shobhamaneshu. Vriksha, Lata and Sarit is and Giri. So mountains, maybe, and then rivers. Lata is the creepers. Vriksha is the trees. With all these Sundarehi, Vriksha, Lata, Sarit, Giribhihi, Shobhamaneshu api Vrindavana Nikunjeshu. Vrindavana is the name of this garden, in the place Vrindavan. So in that garden, so many trees were there, creepers were there, mountains means hills, and small rivulets may be there. Still, saha modamanaha na abhavat. Muda modate means to become happy or to enjoy. So he did not become happy, he did not enjoy all those things because he was looking after Krishna and not about he did not come to enjoy the beauty of the garden. Okay. So
one question, sir.
Yes.
This Arvamanaha. That normally it would have been Arvamana. That Na has become Na because the rule what we discussed.
All these Didrukshamana.
Ra is there in this.
Drishyamana, same thing.
Whereas in Alavamanaha, it has become No because there is no Ra, Sho or Ru, anything there.
In
Alavamanaha.
Aravamana is R and N. There are Bha, Ma and all that. That is Pavarga. And so
it is owing to the rule only, it has remained as No, and owing to rule, it has become No here.
Yeah, correct. Yes. Okay. And in Modamana, in between that, there is nothing. Ra or Sha is not there. Even in Shobhamaneshu, Sh is not there. I mean, between na and before na actually. So saha modamana na abhavat. Okay. So he did not enjoy this one. Okay. Ante agre Meda Bhagini bhavati patati va?
पठति न पठति अन्ते कुत्रचित् निकुञ्जे खिद्यमानं कृष्णम् अपश्यत्
Khidyamanam. Khidyate is to become sad. Khidyamanam, one who was becoming sad, or rather sad itself. Kutrachit nikunje khidyamanam krishnam apashyat. Somewhere in the garden, he found Krishna very sad.
झटिति नारदः कम्पमानः तस्य समीपम् अगच्छत्
Kampamana. Kampante means to shake or tremble. Kampamana is trembling. He is trembling Naradaha. It is the Naradasya Visheshana. Kampamanaha Naradaha. So, trembling Naradaha. Jhatiti. Jhatiti means immediately. Can you mute yourself? There are some noise in the background. So immediately Naradaha, trembling, tasya samipam agachat. He immediately went to Krishna. I mean, he approached him near, he went near to him. Okay, next is Prakash Mahodaya. Bhavan, padati va?
महोदय झटिति नारदः कम्पमानः तस्य समीपम् अगच्छत्.
That is over.
ओके. कृष्णः ज्वरेण वेपमानः शिरोवेदनया पीड्यमानः च आसीत्.
Pidyamanah. Okay. Now Vepamana again. Vepamana is again shivering. Jwarena Vepamanaha. He was shivering with fever. And Shirovedanaya Pidyamanaha. Now again here Karmani. Pidyate is getting Pidayati, Pidyate. Pidayati is to trouble somebody. Pidyate, get troubled. By what? Shirovedanaya, his headache. Pidyamanaha cha asit. I mean, he was shivering with fever and he was having great headache. That is the lesson. Okay. रेवती भगिनी भवती पठति वा?
महोदय कारणं जिज्ञासमानः पृच्छति.
ओके. Okay, jidnasa is to, I mean, be curious about. Okay. Original dhatu is jna. As I said, there are one who wants to know. Okay. Jna janati is to know. So there you add that san pratyaya, whatever it is. So like chikirshava, or here we will have digdrukshamanaha. So similarly, jidnyasamanaha. I mean, wants to know or becoming curious. So karanam jidnyasamanaha naradaha krishnam apruchat. So to know, the curious about knowing the reason about his all that shivering with fever and headache and all that. So Narada Krishnam apruchat. He asked Krishna. Okay. Shraddha Bhagini bhavati padati va?
वेदनाम् असहमानः कृष्णः हाहाकारं कुर्वाणः एव उत्तरं दत्तवान्.
Okay. Asahamana. Sahate is to bear or to withstand. Sahamana is one who is able to withstand. Asahamana, who is not able to withstand. Kim Vedanam asahamanaha. He was not able to bear the pain. And hahakaram kurvanaha. Just now we saw kurvanaha is one who does. Hahakaram is, I mean, akrosh. He is crying. Hahakaram kurvanaha. Kurvana eva uttaram dattavan. He answered while doing all this. He was unable to bear the pain and he was crying loudly. Okay. The next Sukumaran, Mahodaya, Sukumaran.
Yes, sir. तत् श्रुत्वा नारदः
Hmm.
स्वप्रभावेन धनवन्तरीम् अश्विनौ च तत्र समाहुतवान्
Hmm.
तेषामुच्च अरणेऽपि
Hmm.
कृष्णस्य शिरोवेदना वर्धमाना अभवत्.
Eva avavat. Okay, just wait. Now tat shrutva naradaha swaprabhavena dhanvantarim ashvinau cha tatra samahutavan. Okay. Swaprabhavena, his own influence. Tat shrutva, after hearing that, Narada swaprabhavena, Narada with his own influence, dhanvantarim ashvinau cha tatra samahutavan. He, invited or called them there. Who? Dhanvantari and Ashwinav, both, all three most expert doctors in the world at that time. He called them there. Tesham upacharena api Krishnasya shirovedana vardhamana eva abhavat. Vardate, to grow. So Vardhamana is one who grows, and Strilingi form Vardhamana. Shirovedana Vardhamana eva abhavat. His headache only increased. Then Dhanvantarya Adaya, that there is a sandhi here, Dhanvantari Adaya, means all the three, Dhanvantari and Ashwina, all the three. Lajjamanaha tataha nirgata. Lajjate is to get ashamed. So Lajjamana, one who gets ashamed. And Pullingi Bhavachan Rupam asti. So Dhanvantari and the two Ashwini Kumars, they were ashamed, and then tataha nirgataha, they went out from there. Okay. So Sandesh Mahodaya, Bhavan padati va?
एतदन्तरे अन्तरिक्षात् भक्तानां चरलधूलीम् एव भगवतः शिरोबाधायाः स्मर्यमाणम् औषधम् इति अशरीरवाक् श्रुता.
Okay. So Smaryamanam Aushadam. Now Smrusmarati is to remember, and Smaryate is Karmani, which is being remembered. So Smaryamanam, again Visheshanam of that. So Smaryamanam Aushadam is only remember, in the living memory, that is the only Aushadam, Smaryamanam Aushadam. Kim Bhaktanam Charana Dhuli. That I think spelling mistake, Charala. Actually, it should be Charana. Bhaktanam Charana Dhuli. The dust of the feet of some devotees. Eva Bhagavataha Shirobadaya Smaryamanam Aushadam is the only remedy for this. Iti Ashariravak Shruta, that Akashvani, Ashariravak. Somebody said this. Param Vyathamanaha Naradaha Tasyam Akashavaanyam Shraddadhanaha na abhavat. Shraddadhana, to have faith in that. Na? Like Shrad, and I said Dha Dhatu, so Shraddha. Shraddadhana, have the faith. Vyathamanaha is becoming worried, Vyathate. So the worried Narada, not worried, actually worrying in the present continuous at that time. But the worrying Naradaha, Tasyam Akashavanyam Shraddhadanaha na bhavat. He did not become faithful in that, whatever was heard. Okay. Bhagavataha Rogashantim Kamayamanaha Saha Anyan actually Pratnan Kurvana Asit. Okay. So Bhagavataha Rogashantim Kamayamana, Kamayate is to wish for, to desire. Kamayamana, one who wants, one who desires that. What desire? Roga Shantim. He wanted to, cure Krishna, no? So Saha Anyan Prayatnan Kurvana Asid. He was doing other efforts. Ante Charanadhulyartham Taddatrunam Bhaktanam Anveshanaya Saha Prayatamana Saha Krishna Patninam Gopakanam cha Samipam Gatva Apruchat. Okay. Now here main is Prayatamanaha, is trying. One who is trying. What? Charana Dhulyartham Tad Datrunam Data Datarav Dataraha. From Da Dhatu we get this Data Shabda. So like Karta Kartarav Kartaraha, Data Datarav Dataraha, and Shashti Bhavachan Kartrunam Datrunam, of those who are willing to give. Charana Dhulyartham Tad Datrunam Bhaktanam Anveshanaya, of the devotees who are ready to part with their dust of the feet. Anveshamanaya Prayatamanaha Saha Krishna Patninam Gopakanam cha Samipam Gatva Apruchat. He went to them, whom? The wives of Krishna and all the Gopakumars. Parantu Charana Dhulidanam Papaya Kalpateti Manvanaha Te Naradasya Vachaneshu Ashraddadana Avartanta. Okay. Manvanaha, Mana Manyate, and all those things. Okay. Actually, it should be Manyamana, but there are some other rules. It becomes Manvanaha. Okay. So, thinking. Their thinking is Charana Dhulidanam Papaya Kalpate. It will lead to Papa if we give the dust of our feet to the God. You are kicking God in one sense. So they said, no, we will not give this one, because it will tantamount to a sin. Your dust of your feet should go to God. That is something Papa. Charana Dhulidanam Papaya Kalpate. It leads to Papa. Iti manvanaha te naradasya vachaneshu ashraddadhana avartanta. They were not believing. They were not ready to have faith in his words. Tataha charanadhulim prarthayamanaha naradaha gopikaha aprachat. Okay. So prarthayamanaha, requesting, naradasya vishesham. Prarthayamanaha naradaha charanadhulim prarthayamanaha naradaha gopikaha aprachat. That he asked the gopikas. Gopikaha is Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan. He asked the gopikas, Tena Uchchavanam Vachanam Purnam Ashrutva Evataha Gopikaha Dukkham Asamana Avartanta. Tena Uchchavanam. So Vacha Vakti is to speak, and Uchchate is Karmani. Uchchavanam being said, Uchchavanam Vachanam. His words or sentence. Purnam Ashrutva, without listening fully, Taha Gopikaha Dukkham Asahamanaha. Those gopis, Dukkham Asamana, they were not able to bear the dukkha, that worry. Avartanta, they became, worried. They were not able to bear the sadness. Kathamapi Krishnasya Pida Nivrittim Abhilashamanaha Taha Charanadhulya Eva Pida Nivaranam Manyamana Tadartham Spardhamanaha Abhavat. See here. Okay. They were not able to, they did not even listen what he was telling. But Kathamapi Krishnasya Pida Nivrittim Abhilashamanaha. Somehow they wanted to get rid of Krishna's pain, And so abhilashamana, wanting to do. Abhi upasarga las dhatu, abhilashamana. Taha means those gopis. Charana dhulya eva pida nivaranam manyamanaha. Manyamana again here, same that thinking. Pida nivaranam manyamanaha. That only the Charana dhuli can cure his that problem. Thinking like this, tadartham spardhamanaha abhavat. They became competitive. Okay, take my like that. Okay, Naradam anuvartamanaha taha. Anuvartamana. Now vartamana is this one. Anuvartamana, to follow. So following Narada, taha shayanasya krishnasya nikunyam agataha. Again, that shayanasya is a visheshan for krishnasya. Krishna, where Krishna was sleeping, they came to that garden, I mean, part of that garden. Taha swam charanadhulim krishnasya shirasi lepaitum tvaramana abhavan. Again, tvarate is to hurry. Tvaramana, one who hurries. So taha tvaramana abhavan. They became hurried. They started hurrying. What? Swam charanadhulim krishnasya shirasi lepaitum. They start, to smear the dust of their own feet onto Krishna's head. They started hurrying, or competing each other. Tasam bhakti paravashyam vikshamana Krishna smayamana Shraddhadana matparama bhakta bhavatyaha me ativa priyaha ityavadat. Okay. Vikshamanaha Krishnaha. Okay. So, see the one who is seeing. What he is seeing? Bhakti paravashyam. Their tasam bhakti paravashyam. Their devotion. Don't break that word. Bhakti paravashyam vikshamana. Seeing their devotion. Krishna smayamana. Smi is to smile. Smayati. Okay. Smiling, he said, Shraddhadanaha bhavatyaha me ativa priyaha. Shraddhadana, you are having faith in me, so you are too much, you are liked by me. Me ativa priyaha, mama ativa priyaha. Mat paramaha bhaktaha. Now this is no English. Mat paramaha bhakta, your devotees who are too much attached to me, and Shraddhadana, those who are having faith in me, you are all liked by me too much. Iti avadat. Krishnasya vachanam shrutva gopikaha modamanaha naradadaya lajjamanaha cha abhavan. Okay. So, Krishnasya vachanam shrutva, after hearing Krishna's words, gopikaha modamanaha abhavan. So those gopikas, they were happy, they enjoyed. And Naradadayaha lajjamanaha cha abhavan. And Narada and all others, that Ashwini Kumar and this one, they were ashamed. So what is this one? That even if you are true bhakta, don't try to bother about right or wrong. If that medicine is your dust of your feet, give it. Because that is not going to catch, that is not going to bring you papa and all that. Okay. So this is the lesson we have learnt. Now, etani vakyani svavadhanam parishileta. Chandraha shobhamanaha asti. Shobhamana. Shobhate is to look beautiful. So shobhamanaha asti, he is looking beautiful. शिशु वर्धमानः अस्ति, the child is growing. युवा मोदमानः अस्ति, the young boy, a young man is enjoying, मोदमानः. सैनिकः युध्यमानः अस्ति, the soldier is fighting. So these are the visheshanas, na? As I said. Lata kampamana asti. So here's strilingi form. The creeper is shaking or trembling. Esha lajjamana asti. Esha means this lady is shying. Puja vartamana asti. Puja is happening. That is, puja is being carried out somewhere. Nidra badamana asti. The sleep is getting disturbed. Badamana, badate. Nakshatram prakashamanam asti. The star is shining. Mitram spardhamanam asti. The friend is competing. Okay. So eteshu vakyeshu sthulaksharehi mudritani shanach pratyanta rupani cha santi. Atmane padinam dhatunam vartamana kalarthe shanach pratyaya bhavati. That we have already learnt. परस्मैपदी धातूनां शत्रु प्रत्यय भवति इति पूर्वतन पाठे वयं ज्ञातवन्तः एव. शानजान्तानां प्रयोगः अपि विशेषणरूपेण भवति. अतः एतेषां रूपाणि अपि त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु भवन्ति. प्रवर्तमान मीन्स प्रवर्तमानः पुल्लिङ्गः, प्रवर्तमाना सभा and प्रवर्तमानं सत्रं नपुंसकलिङ्गे. This we all learned. Okay, so that comes to an end our who is opening the mic. Okay. So, I mean, that comes to an end our entire book, and especially today's Shatru Shanach Pratyaya. Kindly revise. I will send the that notes today on the group, which completes the portion. I will stop recording. I will say the Shanti and then we'll stop.
One question, sir.
Yes, Prachadu.
I think last before week you showed us on ashtadhyayi.com where to locate Tavvat and Aniyar Pratyanta Shabda. Similarly, there is any location where we can locate the Shanach and Shatrunta?
No, right now, no. This website is under development, so right now nothing is there.
It is not. Okay.
On the website, it is not there. If any other website is there, I am not aware. Please, if somebody comes to know about some website, please share there with the group. Okay. Right. So, sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhaved. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.